Outstanding low-mileage example with high specification, 23-plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak, finished in lucid red metallic with full black leather upholstery, covered 6,752 miles, fitted with 4,620 pounds worth of optional extras to include Alpha SCZ sport top cover with bed liner, 20-inch alloy wheels, 360-degree camera, advanced automated self-park system, Raptor front grille giving a powerful stance and aggressive exterior presence, supplied with remaining balance of manufacturer warranty until the 31st of March 2026. This Ranger comes with satellite navigation, auto Android or Apple CarPlay, adaptive cruise control, heated seats and heated steering wheel for those cold days, and climate-controlled air conditioning for those warmer days. Front and rear parking sensors, advanced four-wheel drive system, with terrain management to tackle the toughest of terrains. Why not inquire today? Just click the link or call to make an appointment.